Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Today we will explore Sutra 1.32, a very practical sutra that gives us direct method to overcome obstacles on yoga path. Having shown us the causes and signs of mental disturbance, Maharishi Patanjali now gives a simple yet powerful method to overcome them. In Sutra 1.32, he tells us that steadiness returns through single pointed focus, one principle, one anchor, one practice. The sutra is Tat Pratishedartham Ek Tattva Abhyas. The meaning is to remove these obstacles, one must practice steadfast focus on a single principle. After describing the 9 obstacles, Antarayas, in 1.30 and their symptoms in 1.31, Maharishi Patanjali now gives us the first solution. Bring the mind to one chosen point and stay with it. This is the meaning of Ek Tattva Abhyas, the practice of steadying the mind by holding it to one anchor, one principle, one technique, and one inner point. The idea is simple. When the mind scatters, rather than chasing every single distracting thought, we gently bring it back to single steady focus. This focus could be the breath, a mantra, quality like compassion, the sound of Om, the presence of Ishvara, or even a point between the eyebrows. Anything that brings stability and inner stillness can become your Ek Tattva. For example, when a child is overwhelmed, you gently hold their hand and not giving them 10 instructions. Just one grounding contact. Similarly, the mind needs one stable handhold during restlessness. This single focus becomes an anchor that calms that turbulence. In the journey, Maharishi Patanjali is showing us here that yoga is not solved by fighting distractions, but by redirecting attention to the steadiness. Don't fight the mind. Offer it something steady to hold. This breaks the cycle of scattered thoughts and begins the movement towards concentration, dharana, which ultimately leads towards meditation and beyond. Considering this knowledge, ask yourself, what is one focal point I can return to when the mind wanders? Is it breath, Om chanting, a feeling of gratitude, a visualization? Can I commit to this anchor daily, even for a few minutes? Remember, when thoughts scatter, return to your one pointed anchor. Over time, that anchor becomes a doorway to silence. So, in essence, this Sutra 1.32 tells us whenever the mind becomes disturbed by obstacles, choose one focal point and keep returning to it. This simple, steady practice gradually dissolves distractions and bring clarity. So I will see you in the next episode with Sutra 1.33. Namaste.